Good morning, students. Welcome back to social class. Students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Students, now we are learning geography part, is it? From geography part, now we are learning geography lesson 6. Students, in the previous class, which topic we discussed? Have you remember, students? Very good. We learned about soils of Tamil Nadu and different types of forest, is it? First of all, I am going to recall few important points about previous class portion. Okay. First of all, we learned about soils of Tamil Nadu. Students, how many types of soils are there in Tamil Nadu? Very good. There are five types of soil, is it? What are the five types of soil in Tamil Nadu? Excellent. Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, and saline and alkaline soil. Okay. Then from alluvial soil, we learned about how the alluvial soil was formed. The alluvial soils are formed by the deposition of the silt by the rivers, is it? Then some of the coastal regions and river valleys, mostly we can found the alluvial soil. The main areas we can found alluvial soil is Tanjavur. Okay, Tanjavur. This is important one word question. Okay, map question. Okay, Tanjavur. Then some other districts also we can found alluvial soil. Then the second one is the black soil, is it? Black soil is formed by the weathering of igneous rocks, is it? Then the other name of black soil is very good, Regur soil, is it? Regur soil. Then in which cultivation was we can cultivate from in black soil? Very good, cotton. Cotton mostly grows in the black soil, is it? Then the main area we can found the black soil is Coimbatore. Okay, the district of Coimbatore. Important map question. Okay, the districts of Coimbatore. Okay. Then the third one is the red soil. Is it red soil? In the most of the central districts we can found the red soil, but Ramanathapuram and Sivagangai district mostly we can found red soil. Okay, in Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram district fully covered by the red soil. And the map question asked means you should mark Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram. Okay. Then the fourth one is laterite soil. Is it? Laterite soil is formed by the process of leaching. Is it? Then mostly we can found laterite soil in the district of Kanchipuram. Okay, Kanchipuram. The main district is Kanchipuram. Okay. Then the last one is the very good. Saline soil. Is it? Saline soil mostly we can found in the seashore areas. Okay, seashore areas mostly we can found these saline soil. Then mostly we can found saline soils in some of the coastal areas. So mostly we can found the Coromandel coast. Coromandel coast areas or Vedaranyam we can found saline soil. Okay. Then next we learned about the natural vegetation, different types of forest, is it? There are 5 different types of forest are there, is it, students? What are the 5 different types of forest? Very good. Tropical evergreen forest, montane temperate forest, tropical deciduous forest, mangrove forest and tropical thorn forest, is it? First one is the tropical evergreen forest. Mostly the heavy rainfall areas we can found the tropical evergreen forest, is it? Then the most important districts we can found the tropical evergreen forest is the Nilgiri district of Nilgiri we can found mostly in the tropical evergreen forest, and some most of the states we can found in the map question asked means we should mark the Nilgiris. Okay, then the next one is montane temperate forest, is it? Mostly we can found the Nilgiri, Palani Hills, Animal Hills areas we can found the mountain temperate forest. You should mark in the map the Nilgiri. Okay, Nilgiri and Palani Hills you can mark about mountain temperate forest in the map. Okay, then the next one is the tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest mostly we can found in the districts of some of the areas some of the areas for example most of the trees are growing in this particular forest areas. Then it is one of the semi evergreen or evergreen forest. Is it semi evergreen or evergreen forest? Then most of the Western Ghats areas we can found in this particular forest. Okay, then the next one is the mangrove forest. Mostly we can found mangrove forest in the coastal areas and the river areas. Okay, mostly we can found the coastal areas and the river areas we can found the mangrove forest. Okay, then finally we learned about the tropical thorn forest. Tropical thorn forest mostly we can found in the little rainfall area. For example, some parts of Dharmaburi and Ramanathapuram districts we can found in this tropical thorn forest. Okay, these all things we learned in the previous class. And also finally we learned about two mark important question. Is it biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu? Have you remember, students, biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu? One book inside question I told you, is it Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, Agasthyar Malay Biosphere Reserve. Okay, these all things we learned in the previous class. Students, I gave some question answers. I hope you learned that question answers also. Okay, students, now let us come forward to today's class. Okay, now let us come forward to today's class. Today I am going to teach natural disasters in Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to teach natural disasters in Tamil Nadu. Disasters. What is meant by disasters? Disasters is an event that causes a lot of harm or damage. Disasters is one of the event that causes a lot of harm or damage. Okay, students, now I am going to explain the definition of natural disasters. Okay, the definition of natural disasters: a sudden natural catastrophic that causes great damage or lose the lives and properties are called disaster. Listen, students, a sudden natural catastrophe means sufferings. Okay, it causes great damage, loses our lives and properties. Okay, it is called disaster. Then, according to United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction, it is the concept and practice of reducing disaster through some of the efforts, taking some of the efforts to analyze and reduce some of the using some of the factors through disasters. That means, according to United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction, the main concept and practice of this United Nations Office is to reduce the disaster risk through using some of the efforts to analyze and use some of the factors, to try to reduce the disasters. Okay, and also this include to reducing the hazards and hazards means harm. Okay, hazards and lessening and vulnerability of people and property. Lessening, that means to become less quality. Vulnerability means quality. To reduce the quality, that means improve the quality of the people and to improve the properties of the people. Okay, and wise management of land and environment and improving preparedness. Preparedness means readiness. Okay, improving preparedness and early warning for adverse event. These are the factors we use to reduce the disasters and improve the quality of the people and to improve the properties of the people. Okay, students, here we will discuss about the natural disasters in Tamil Nadu and what are the measures we can take before the disaster, after the disaster and during the disaster. Listen very careful, students. Here we will discuss about the natural disasters in Tamil Nadu and what are the measures we should take before the disaster, during the disaster and after the disaster. Okay, now I am going to explain some of the disasters and what are the measures we want to take. The first one is landslide. The first one is landslide. Listen very careful, students. A collapse of mass of earth or rock from mountain or cliff is called landslide. Listen very careful, students. A collapse. Collapse means break into pieces suddenly. Collapse means break into pieces suddenly. The collapse of a mass of earth or rock. That means the earth will get sometime break, or the parts of rock will get break. Some of the mountains will get break suddenly. And cliff means steep area of rock also get break. This is called landslide. That means the breaking of earth or rocks or mountains or cliffs are called landslide. Okay, the sudden breaking of earth, rock, mountain, cliff and etc. are called landslide. Okay, water is one of the most important reason of a landslide. Water is the most important trigger means cause. Okay, water is one of the important cause of a landslide. In Nilgiri district, in Tamil Nadu, Nilgiri district often get the landslide. Okay, Nilgiri districts, we can take the landslide districts. Okay, and also some of the hill areas, for example, Palani Hills, Kodaikanal Hills, some of the areas of Coimbatore, then Tindikal districts also often get the landslide. Okay, then what are the now listen students, see the picture. This is the landslide. Okay, see the picture. This is the landslide. You also saw, is it the breaking of rocks, earth, mountain or some steep of the areas of rock is called landslide. Okay, then how it will cause? Because of water, the landslide will cause. Okay, then what are the measures we want to take to prevent ourselves from landslide? Okay, then first, before landslide, what are the measures we want to take means, first we should create awareness. Then stay alert. We should alert. Okay, and awake. Okay, alert and awake. Then monitor the news. Okay, monitor the news. Then make evacuation plan. Take action. Okay, what want to do, that we want to take the plan. Okay, after landslide, suppose landslide come means, what are the things we want to do to escape ourselves? Okay, we want to put some of the plan. Okay, then we should listen unusual sounds. Any unusual sounds are coming, we should listen. Then we should listen about moving debris, such as debris means breaking sounds. Okay, breaking, such as trees, then holders means very large rocks. Okay, then knocking, unnecessarily any noise are coming. Okay, these all things we should observe before landslide. Okay, then after landslide, what are the things we want to do means, stay away from the slide area. First we should stay away from the slide area. Then we should listen the local radio or television. We should listen the local radio's news or the television news. Any emergency informations are there, we should listen the news. Then watch for flooding, how the flood is coming or not. Suppose flood is coming means, most of the areas get landslide. Okay, so we should watch flood. Then and also we should watch the debris flow. Debris means breaking anything. Okay, breaking. Okay, then we should check injured person. Trapped means dangerous. Okay, injured and dangerous person, and we should help that particular person, but we without entering the directly in the slide area. Okay, directly we should not enter. After the slide, we should help the injured and the trapped person. Okay, then the next important disaster is the flood. The second important disaster is the flood. Okay, flood. It is common one in the coastal districts of Tamil Nadu. Mostly in the coastal districts of Tamil Nadu, often occur the flood. Okay, during northeast monsoon season, the flood will occur. In the previous class, I explained this. Suppose more than 60% of rainfall we are getting during the northeast monsoon, and cyclone also will occur during this northeast monsoon, is it? Mostly in the northeast monsoon season period, the flood will occur. Okay, the last flood, that means the last flood occur in the state was 2015. You everyone know, is it, students? 2015 one big flood was came in Chennai, is it? 2015. Okay, that is the last important recent flood. Okay, then see the picture, students. See the picture. Everyone know, is it? Flood come means the water everywhere, the water will flow. Okay, then what are the risk reduction? That means what are the measures we want to take before the flood, during the flood, and after the flood? Okay, first, before the flood, what are the things we want to take means, first we should know about relief centers. Okay, first we should know about the relief centers and evacuation routes, how we should prevent ourselves, to how we want to move from that flood area to other particular prevent area. First we want to know the routes. Okay, then we should keep the emergency phone number. Suppose we are affecting in the flood, we want to inform or we want to ask help to others, is it? So we should keep the emergency phone number. Then important information through the phone which we will give the important information. Okay, then we should go the higher ground. Okay, during before flood we should go the higher ground. Okay, then during the flood, what are the things we want to do means, first be quick during the flood. First we want to be quick, keep safe. Quickly we should keep ourselves safe. Then we should ensure children and elder people. Okay, we should save the children and the elder people, and leaving that particular children and elder people from house to higher ground. Okay, then we should turn off all the electrical appliances. Okay, all the electrical appliances where we should switch off. Then we should off the gas. Okay, then leave the area before it's to get too late. We should not be late. We should move the safety area soonly. Okay, then do not drive through the water. Okay, do not drive through the water, and also we stay away from the power lines. We should stay away from the power lines. Okay, then after the flood, what are the things we want to do means, first we should make sure to get back inside our house. First we should make sure that we can get back inside our house. Okay, then keep all power and electrical appliances off. Okay, keep all the power and electrical appliances off. Then we should wear the appropriate dress. Okay, before cleaning our house, we should clean the house, is it? After the flood, we should clean the house. So we should wear the appropriate dress before cleaning our house. Then we should clean the areas of contamination. Contamination means polluting area. Contamination means polluting area. Okay, then the next important disaster is the cyclone. Okay, the next important disaster is the cyclone. The coastal regions, most of the coastal regions in Tamil Nadu were get cyclone. Okay, then during northeast monsoon, already just now I taught, is it? During northeast monsoon season, mostly the cyclone will occur. Because of cyclone, we are losing our lives and properties. Okay, so Mainly, the cyclone areas are divided in Tamil Nadu are divided into five zones. The cyclone areas of Tamil Nadu are divided into five zones. Very high cyclone area, medium cyclone area, low cyclone area, and very low cyclone area. Okay, listen students, see the picture. This is cyclone. Okay, cyclone, how it is formed. See, inside the sea it will form, is it? Then the coastal regions, mostly in Tamil Nadu, the coastal regions where acquire the cyclone during the northeast monsoon season. Okay, during cyclone we will lose our lives and properties, is it? Then what are the measures we can take before cyclone, then during cyclone and after cyclone? Okay, before cyclone, first of all we should ignore rumors, that means to attention the news. Okay, stay calm, don't be panic. We should stay calm, don't be panic. Panic means fear. We should not fear. Okay, keep our mobile phones charged to ensure connectivity. Okay, we should use SMS, that means we should give message through SMS to some other areas. Then listen the radio news, then watch the TV news, read the newspaper, whether about the weather condition, whether the cyclone will come. That before that we will get the news, is it, about the weather condition. So we should watch the radio, TV and newspapers news. Okay, then keep our documents and valuable things in waterproof containers. Okay, we should keep the documents and the valuable things in the containers. Prepare an emergency kits means tools. Okay, prepare an emergency tools and secure your house. Carry out repairs. Don't leave sharp objects loose. Okay, don't leave sharp object loose. Then cattle and animals also we should keep safely. Okay, cattle and animals also we should keep safely. Then more the one of the important things is the fishermen should keep a radio set with extra batteries. The fishermen should keep a radio set with the extra batteries, and also they keep boats and rafts. Rafts means pieces of wood. Okay, their boats and their rafts were tied. Okay, tied up safely. Okay, then during cyclone, what are the things we want to do means, first we should take care of the old and young people of our family members. Okay, and we should save our neighbors. Okay, we should keep our elders and the children inside the house. Then switch off the electrical appliances. We should stay an empty room. We should stay an empty room. Then the movable items also we should tied. Okay, the movable items we should kept tied. Then try to help our neighbors, but we should not go out during cyclone. Okay, during cyclone we should not go out. After the cyclone we should go out and help our neighbors. Okay, then after the cyclone, what are the things we want to do means, first we should get the instruction about cyclone. Then we should avoid loose electrical wires after the cyclone. Okay, then sometime some of the animals were carcasses means the dead body of animals, that means snakes or other animals were immediately will died. So after the cyclone we should clear that particular areas. Okay, we should clear the particular areas. Then the next important disaster is the drought. The next important disaster is the drought. Tamil Nadu is the water deficit state. Deficit means scarcity. Okay, deficit means scarcity. Then in the seasonal, that means during the summer season, most some areas will affect about drought. Okay, northeast monsoon we will get the seasonal rainfall, but when the failure of the rainfall, some of the areas will get drought. Then we should manage about drought, so we should do the rainwater harvesting and we should conserve the water. Now see the picture, students. This is drought. Okay, this is drought. Because of scarcity of water, the drought will occur. Okay, because of the scarcity of water, the drought will occur. So what we want to do means we should conserve the water. Okay, then we should use some of the method to conserve the water. Okay, now see what are the methods we should use to conserve the water means. First we should do to protection of water from pollution. First we should do the protection of water from pollution, then redistribution of water, rational use of groundwater. Rational means logical. Okay, rational use of groundwater, then population control. We should control the population. Then use of modern irrigation method. We should use some of the modern irrigation method. Increasing forest cover, that means afforestation. Okay, we should plant more trees. Then change the crop pattern, that means the step cropping. Likewise some of the crop pattern we should change. Then we should use geothermal water. Geothermal water means groundwater. Mostly we should use the groundwater. These are some of the major water conservation method. This is one of the book inside 2-mark question, or sometime 5-mark question also they will ask. Okay, book inside question you should mark it. Okay students, the next important disaster is the fire accident. The next one is the fire accident. In Tamil Nadu is a tropical state. Is it? Tropical means hot and humid climate. Tropical means hot and humid climate. Okay, hot and humid climate. Then because of high temperature, the fire accident will occur. During summer season, the fire accident will occur in the areas of the deciduous forest and the thorn forest area. Okay, then what are the measures we can take before, during and after the fire accident? Okay, first of all I am going to explain before fire accident what are the measures we should take. Okay, see the picture students. This is the forest fire. Okay, this is the forest fire. Now I am going to explain what are the measures we should take before the fire accident. Okay, first of all we should create defensible space to separate your home or flammable vegetations and materials. That means we should keep away the flammable vegetation. Flammable vegetation means easily burning vegetations and materials. Okay, we should keep away from fire areas in the flammable vegetation and materials. Okay, then we should follow all local fire and buildings codes. Okay, then keep all the trees and shrubs trimmed. Trimmed means cutting unwanted parts. Trimmed means cutting unwanted parts. That means we should cut unwanted parts of the trees and shrubs. Okay, then next we should make evacuation plans. How to relieve from fire accident. Okay, how to save our family members. These all things before the fire accident we should keep it in our mind. Okay, then during fire accident, what are the things we want to do means listen to radio. That means radio news we should listen. We should watch the TV, newspapers, etc. Okay, then and also we should keep the water in the buckets. That means we will fill the buckets of water. Turn a light on a room. That means in case of smoke, suppose smoke will come, so turn a light off in a room. Then we should turn off the gas, electrical appliances, etc. Okay, and also we should keep safe our family members also. Then after the fire accident, what are the things we want to do means check with fire. After the fire accident, what are the things we want to do means check with fire officials before attending. That means before returning our home, we should check that fire officials. That means whether the sparks are there. That means check the roof, interior area, burned area, everywhere we should check whether that particular areas has sparks and embers. Spark means small fiery particles from ashes. Okay, then embers, the piece of wood, in the burning, not burning piece of wood, from that particular piece of wood have any sparks. This everything we want to check after the fire accident. Okay, then the next important natural disaster is the tsunami. Okay, the next one is the tsunami. Okay, tsunami. The word tsunami is a Japanese term, is it? What is the meaning of tsunami, students? In the last year we learned, is it? The meaning is harbor waves. What is the meaning of tsunami? Harbor waves. Is it harbor waves? That is, it is adapted to describe large seismically generated sea waves caused by earthquakes. Is it seismically generated the sea waves caused by earthquakes? The submarine explosion and landslides also cause of the tsunami. Okay, then these waves travel at a great speed, that means more than 500 km per hour, and the length of the waves exceeds 600 km. Okay, these waves are reach a height of more than 15 meter. Okay, near the seashore. This only causing the tsunami in the coastal areas. Okay, then tsunami, see the picture, students. 2004 December 26th, the tsunami was occurred, is it? Though tsunami is not a common one in India, this incident, that means 2004 alerted India and the state of Tamil Nadu and these aspects. Then what are the measures we should take before, during and after the disaster of tsunami means? Before tsunami, what are the things what are the measures we want to do means, suppose if we live in a coastal areas, first we know about the tsunami risk. Okay, first we know about the tsunami risk, then we should put the emergency plan. Okay, then how we want to move that particular area to high ground, that route we should how we will reach the high ground, height of the areas, that route also we should find before tsunami. Then during tsunami, what are the things we want to do means, take your getaway kit. Kit means tools. All the tools we take away. Don't travel areas at risk. That means risk areas we should not travel. We should move immediately nearest high ground. Okay, the high part of the areas immediately we should move during tsunami. Okay, then suppose you cannot escape from tsunami means, you should go an upper story. Story means the part of the buildings. Our buildings upper part, our house upper part we should move, or climb on in a roof. Okay, or climb on our house roofs, or we should climb in the tree or grab. Grab means part of the buildings. Okay, we should move the tree. Okay, then we should watch the radio news or the TV news about tsunami. Okay, then after tsunami, what are the things we want to do means, first we should listen the radio. We should not return the tsunami area. Okay, then after tsunami, we should clear that particular areas are clear or not. We should check it, and we will help the injuries people. Afterwards, we will help the injuries people. Okay, then the last important disaster is the earthquakes. Okay, the last one is the earthquake. Students, the last important disaster is the earthquakes. Earthquakes, in 9th standard you learned, is it? Earthquakes are generally caused by the sudden vibration in the earth crust, is it? Earthquakes are generally caused by the sudden vibration in the earth crust, which spread out the all direction of that waves from the source of disturbances. Okay, so the earthquake will occur. Okay, then mostly in Tamil Nadu, the north and central parts often get cyclone, and also the state of Tamil Nadu also moderately, sometimes some areas get cyclone. Then what are the measures we want to take during cyclone means, we should cover ourselves under the table. Okay, strong table, under the strong table or any pieces of furniture. Okay, and whether the shaking or stops means only we should come outside under the strong table. Okay, then after earthquakes we should what we want to do means once the earthquake stop means we should not walk roads or bridges. Okay, we should avoid road or bridges because sometimes that particular road or bridges were get damaged during earthquake. So we should not walk along roads or bridges after the earthquake. Okay, then the last one is for the management of disasters in the state. That means the following organization or and services organizations or services during some of the disasters. Then the state and union territories organizations are the State Disaster Management Authority, Relief for Disaster Management Department, Police Department, Forest Department, Fire and Civil Defense Services, Health Services, Transport Department, Public Works Department, Veterinary Departments, then Food and Civil Supply Department. These are the important departments were doing services during disaster. Okay, then in the district organizations are district magistrate, that means chairman districts and collector, then revenue department, civil administration, local police station, civil defense, fire and emergency services, and home guards, that means local community. Okay, these are the organizations are doing services before disaster, during disaster, and the after disaster. Okay, students, that's all this lesson. Can you understand, students? Shall we recall the points? Students, today we learned about the natural disasters in Tamil Nadu, disasters and event that causes a lot of harm or damage, is it? Then from here we will discuss about the natural disasters of Tamil Nadu. Then what are the measures we should take before the disaster, then during the disaster and after the disaster. Okay, then some of the disasters we learned, is it? First of all, we learned about the landslide. How landslide will occur? That means breaking of pieces of rocks, earth or mountains. Okay, breaking of pieces of rocks, earth or mountains, the landslide will occur. Okay, then before landslide we should keep ourselves safe, and we should observe some unusual sound and etc. Okay, then after landslide, what are the things we want to do? We should listen the news. Okay, news whether the landslide will occur after. We should listen the news. Then we should help the injured people. After the landslide, we should help the people. Okay, then next we learned about the flood. Is it? Mostly in Tamil Nadu, the coastal districts get flood. Then in which season mostly the flood will occur, students? Very good. The northeast monsoon season. Okay, the northeast monsoon season, mostly the flood will occur. Okay, before flood, we want to relieve ourselves. That means we know the routes to save ourselves. Then we should keep the mobile phone and give the information about others about flood. Then during flood, what are the things we want to do means be quick, keep safe. Okay, we should save children or elder people in the safe people house to the higher ground. Then we should switch off the electrical appliances and gases. Okay, then we should avoid drive during flood. Okay, then after the flood, what are the things we want to do means first make sure get back inside our house. Then we should wear appropriate dresses, and we should clear our polluting area. Contamination means polluting area. Then next we learned about the cyclone. Okay, in Tamil Nadu, during northeast monsoon season, mostly the cyclone will occur. Okay, so before cyclone, we should stay calm. Don't panic. Okay, panic means fear. Okay, then we should listen the news. Then the valuable documents and things were keep the proof containers. Okay, then we should save ourselves. That means the fishermen mostly keep the radio set with extra batteries. They keep their boats and rafts tied up safely. Okay, then during cyclone, we should take care about the old and children, keep the family members inside the house. Okay, switch off the electrical appliances and switch off the gases, and we should stay in the empty room. Okay, then after the cyclone, we should first we should confirm the cyclone will clear. Then we should strictly avoid loose electrical wires. Okay, we should listen the debris and carcasses. Okay, then after the cyclone, we should help the injured people or clearing the some particular areas. Then the next one is the drought. Because of scarcity of water, the drought will occur. Is it? Then some of the methods we want to do, conservation methods, is it? We should save the water. Okay, that are the things also we learned. Then we learned about the fire accident. Fire accident is during summer season. Most of the forest areas will occur fire. Is it? Before fire, we should trim the trees and shrubs. That means cutting unwanted parts of the trees and shrubs. Okay, we should keep away from the burning areas of flammable vegetation and materials. Okay, then during fire accident, we should watch the radio and TV news. We should read the newspaper, and we should turn off the light, then turn off gas and electrical appliances, and we should save our family members. Then after fire accident, we should what are the things we want to do means we should find out whether any sparks are there, that burning areas we should find. That means any particles from as spark particles are there, then piece of wood, burning piece of wood, any sparks are there, that everything we should clear. Okay, then tsunami, how will occur tsunami, is it? Before tsunami, we should find out the routes, the high ground routes, how we will reach that high ground. Then during tsunami, we will escape from tsunami areas to nearest high ground. Okay, then during suppose we cannot escape means we should go to an upper part of our buildings or climb the roof for the trees. Okay, then after tsunami, we should come out and clear that particular areas, and we should help the injuries people. Then finally we learned about the earthquakes. During earthquakes, we should keep ourselves in the strong table, under the strong table or the pieces of furniture. Okay, then after earthquake, once the earthquake was stopped, we should avoid to walk roads and bridges. Okay, these are the things we learned in this lesson, students. I completed these lessons. Then the next class I will teach the new lesson. Now all are take a book, turn the exercise pages, page number 216, page number 216. Choose the correct answer. First one answer, the latitude already I gave. First one answer A option. Second one answer A option. Third one answer B option. Fourth one answer C option. Fifth one B option. Kaveri. Sixth one C option Kudalur. Seventh one B option Bay of Bengal. Eighth one A option Theni. Then ninth one Tharmaburi district, A Tharmaburi. Okay, then Roman number 2 fill-ups. First one answer Coimbatore. Fill-ups, first one answer Coimbatore. Second one answer Solai Karadu. Third one answer Kollidam and Kaveri. Fourth one answer Nilgiri Tar. Students, if you have any doubt, you should refer the guide. Okay, these all answers are given in the guide. Any doubt or any spelling you have the doubt, you should refer the guide. Okay, then match the following. First one answer January and February. First one answer January and February. Second one answer March to May. Third one answer June to September. Fourth one answer October to December. And the fifth one answer pre-monsoon. Pre-monsoon. Then assessment question A option. Answer is A option. Answer is A option. Okay. Then answer the following question answers. First 4 questions I gave. Is it already I gave? First 4 question answers. Then first 5 question answers I gave. Then the 6th question, disaster risk reduction. Define disaster risk reduction. Page number 211. Page number 211. Natural disasters in Tamil Nadu heading. First paragraph. A sudden natural from there. That first paragraph. Okay. Then last question, during cyclone, how does the meteorological department warn the fishermen? During cyclone, how does the meteorological department warn the fishermen? Okay, that one, page number 214. The page number 214, before risk reduction measures, before getting that paragraph last before third line, last before third line. Fishermen should keep a radio set with extra batteries handy, keep boats and traps tied up safely and don't when you are out of the sea. That much you will mark. Okay. Then distinguish I gave refer guide. Then give reason. 3 questions are there. That 3 questions also you should refer the guide. Okay. Distinguish also you should refer the guide. Then detail. First 4 questions I gave. Is it first 4 questions I gave? The last question. What are the risk reduction measures taken before, say, and after cyclone? Then cyclone heading you will take, students. Cyclone heading, that means page number 213. Cyclone heading fully you will mark. Okay, that cyclone paragraph also you mark. Then the next page 214, before, during, after. Okay, before, during no need, before and after only asked. So before and after you will mark. During cyclone no need to mark. Okay, these are the things you mark, students. All the question answers I gave. Finally, the map study, Roman number 9, the map study. Mark the important rivers. First. Mark the important rivers. They are given, students. Mark the important rivers. They are given Tamrabarani, river Tamrabarani. Did you see, students? River Tamrabarani. Then river Kaveri, river Tamrabarani, river Kaveri. Palar, river Palar, Penniyar, Vaigai. That 5 rivers you should mark. Then remaining some rivers after reopening I will give. Okay. Then that 5, see the next map also you see. They are also given that Tamrabarani and Kaveri river given. In the previous map given all the rivers. That means river Kaveri, Palar, Vaigai, Tamarabarani, Ponniyar. These 5 rivers are important rivers. Okay, that 5 rivers you will see the map and do. Then distribution of soil. You should mark the 5 maps. Okay, that means that first soil, alluvial soil, the main area is Tanjavur. See the map, student, page number 212. You take the page number 212. There that Tamil Nadu's district given, is it? From there, alluvial soil for you will mark Tanjavur. Then black soil for you will mark Coimbatore. Black soil for you will mark Coimbatore. Then red soil for you will mark Sivagangai, Ramanathapuram. Then laterite soil you should mark the Kanjipuram district, Kanjipuram. Then saline soil you should mark the Coromandel coast area. That means anyone see coastal areas, nearby coastal areas you should mark. Okay. Then next one is the tropical that forest. Next there forest, different forest types given. Forest, that means that evergreen forest you should mark in Western Ghats areas. Okay, Western Ghats areas. Evergreen forest for we will mark Western Ghats area. Western Ghats map, first lesson you learned, is it? From school you learned. Western Ghats area you will mark. Then temperate forest, that mountain and temperate forest you will mark the Nilgiri areas, Nilgiri district. Then tropical deciduous forest, you will mark the eastern part areas, eastern Ghats areas, eastern Ghats. Then mangrove forest, we should mark that Thuthukudi you will mark. Okay, mangrove forest, Thuthukudi you mark. Then Than forest, last one is the Than forest, Tharmaburi district or Ramanathapuram district you mark. Okay, Tharmaburi or Ramanathapuram district you will mark. Students, see this map and you will do. Any doubt means you should refer the guide. Okay, in the guide it was given. Any doubt means you should refer the guide. Okay, students, that's all this lesson. Next class I will teach the next lesson. Okay, thank you, students.